Today it is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Anubha Walia. She is the founder director of Prism Philosophy. And this Prism Philosophy is an international trainer speaker, leading training company and consultancy firm. It helps in increasing the performance of the people and organization specializing in corporate training, focus on soft skills, behavioral and quality programs, and organization development and HR consultancy. She is the international trainer and speaker at the Prism Philosophy, and she is the author and carries 20 years of experience in different organizations like Honeywell, ICICI Bank, L&D, and other companies. She's a bachelor from Lady Shri Ram College and PhD in fellowship styles and leadership styles. She is an expert in human process intervention and organization development. So today's talk for you, dear students, today's is a motivational talk on expectations, intrapersonal ABC of students, come professional and values. So today is the day 5 of the session, and I hope that today's session will be very enlightening and motivational for you students. So now I welcome and I invite Dr. Anubha Walia to start the session. Dr. Anubha Walia.
Okay. Thank you so very much, Deepak sir. And indeed, it was really nice that I have been a part of SDTIT, that is Satyug Darshan Institute. I think one of the leading institute into the management and engineering and technology specifically, I would say that, because these two terms, engineering and technology, cannot be managed if we don't manage it well, right? Okay, so with this, let me tell you everyone that it's really a pleasure to be part of your team. And to start with, I'm just going to, share. Okay, so I'm just stopping my screen sharing, and then I'm re-sharing my screen. And please confirm that if you can see my screen, right? Okay. One second. Just a second. There is some chat. Yeah. Okay. So kindly just confirm when you can see my screen, because I need to get this, confirmation. Perfect. Just let me
Yes,
know
sir.
if you can see my screen. Okay. Thank you so
Yes, we
much.
are able to
All
see
right.
your screen. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. So a warm welcome. So that's me, Anubha Walia. So after my corporate life, the corporate actually gave me a very, a lot of insight to me. And I realized that I became an HR lady and worked for almost like 14 years. And
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, there is
yes,
an
ma'am.
option to disable the annotation for others. So please disable the annotation. There is an option you can disable.
Okay, I'll do that. You've given me the
At the
control. I can't do this. Yeah.
you can, because you are sharing the screen now. Only you can disable that. In more option, it will be there. If you are
In the
seeing the
more
more option,
option,
yeah.
disable. Okay, I have done that.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yes, it is done.
Correct.
Yes, you can
Thank you.
proceed.
All right. Okay. So I was just telling you about myself, although you can read about me in about.me, /Anubha Walia. So my life in the corporate world and after the corporate, I'm a HR lady. I became an entrepreneur, and I am purely into the trainings and organization development and, lot of research approach. Being a blogger, I do a lot of blogging when I get free time. I write a lot. So basically, when I say blogger, plus I'm an author also. So that's why I love writing. speaker because of the domain I come from. Social media check, yes, I'm highly present into the social media, and you all can follow me, or you can get connected to me in any of the platforms that you can think of, whether it is Facebook, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Dig, or a blogger, any site that you can think of. Uh, I'm a trainer. Yes, I have my presence not only in national level but also at an international level. And the one beautiful thing is we created a philosophy which is called Prism philosophy. So Prism is nothing but it's a company which is purely focusing into the trainings and consultancy. And in the trainings, we do soft skills, behavioral and quality training. And in the consultancy, we do human process intervention, where we help the organization to grow from one level to the next level. And the third one is we have our own academy where 280 80 students are studying, and we are focusing only into the ITES aspect. Now, training is something which is very close to my heart because, something when you can enlighten, you can transform, or even you can give a small aspect of learning to the people, I think you make huge difference. So that's why I have been into the L&D domain, and training becomes a very very close to me. With this, so today the session what I have planned for all of you is we will work on corporate expectations. So in this corporate expectation, I'm going to tell you that what exactly is expected out of corporates, and what is expected out of the students both. So what corporate expects from the students, and what exactly students expect of the corporate. But I will emphasize more on what corporate expects from the students, right? Then from there we'll move towards self in or else intrapersonal, which is self introspection. And then we'll talk about ABC of corporate, that what are the key things that we are looking for, and then the values of life. So we'll understand that how importance of values becoming, and how we need to use that values to grow ourselves and help the organization to grow to the one level to the next level, right? Okay, so I hope you all are good in Hindi also, because कुछ चीजें मैं हिंदी में भी बात करूंगी और आप लोग को उसके एग्जांपल्स भी दूंगी. So I hope दीपक सर अगर हम
Yes,
हिंदी में
ma'am.
भी
Yes.
बातचीत.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
ठीक है,
definitely. हाँ
बहुत
जी,
बढ़िया, very nice, thank you so much, super. All right, so what I would expect, have various kind of engagement with me. I would suggest आप please chat box use करिएगा जितना use कर सकते हैं. और जब भी मैं आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ, I mean if you want to express it out, please raise your hand and I would like to unmute and then hear from you all. Okay, all right. So what exactly corporate expect? So what are their expectation? One is definitely जो मैंने realize किया है, कोई भी successful बंदा, a person or an individual, a student, or for that matter anyone in life, right? They become really successful when they become and give a they have a detailed orientation. That means when they give attention to a detail, छोटी छोटी चीजों का जो ध्यान रखते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये छोटी चीजें बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करती है हमारी लाइफ में, और सक्सेसफुल लोगों की सबसे अच्छी निशानी यही देखी गई है. अगर मैं सक्सेसफुल लोगों की अगर हम बात करें, तो आई थिंक हर इंडिविजुअल में कुछ ना कुछ एक इतना इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट होता है जो कि हम कभी अपने आप को पहचान नहीं पाते हैं, और अगर आप वो पहचान लेते हो तो आप एक्चुअली में ग्रो कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो पहली बात है मुझे वो चीज, छोटी चीज अपने में जानना, और फिर अगर मुझे कुछ चीज कन्वर्ट करनी है एक्स से वाई, तो उसको मैंने कैसे छोटी छोटी चीजों को देखते हुए, डिटेल में देखते हुए आगे बढ़ना है. Alright. So when I talk about an example of Jack Welch, sir. Now Jack Welch, sir, who was he? He was the CEO of GE. So sir has given a huge transformational stuff in GE. The kind of quality initiative, Jack sir has given, I think it is phenomenal. That is, I'm talking from international perspective. Now let's talk in India. Look at Tata's, right? So how Tatas have grown, and they've given a detailed orientation. आप देखिएगा उन्होंने उनके विजन में ये था, उनके थॉट में ये था कि हमें टाटा हर एक के घर में चाहिए। हम चाहते हैं कि टाटा हर एक को यूज करे, और आप देखिए उनकी इसी सोच की वजह से दे आर सच अ ग्रेट प्रोफेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। और आप देखिए, आप फ्रॉम टॉप टू टो हम सब टाटा यूज कर रहे हैं, राइट? चाहे वो स्पेक्स है, चाहे वो आपकी ज्वेलरी है, चाहे वो आपके कपड़े हैं, या आप अगर होटल में रहना चाहते हैं, या कोई गाड़ी ड्राइव करना चाहते हैं, या आप एयरलाइन से फ्लाई करना चाहते हैं, एंड या आप किचन में जाइए, आपको टाटा वहां पे भी मिल जाएगा। आप कुछ नहीं तो अगर आपको टाटा स्काई चाहिए वो मिल जाएगा। तो you will find that company is in everyone's life. So that is how you grow. Now, when we talk about corporate expectations from students, right? What do exactly corporate expect? So let's try and understand here. Now you all are students, right? अब पहली बात है, हम टाइम डिफरेंस की बात करते हैं। टाइम डिफरेंस में सबसे पहले हम ये चीज करते हैं, स्कूल में हमारे क्या टाइमिंग थे, कॉलेज में हमारे क्या टाइमिंग है, और कॉर्पोरेट में क्या टाइमिंग होंगे। सो लेट्स ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड हियर, राइट? तो जब हम स्कूल की टाइमिंग की बात करते हैं, तो आप देखिएगा, आप स्कूल, कुछ बच्चों का स्कूल था वो मॉर्निंग 7 o'clock से 2 o'clock. Some students having a time from 8 to 3. Some students are also in day boarding where the school timings are from 8 to 4. And some have a afternoon timings, they go from 12 to 5. Correct? And then evening school timing भी होते हैं। तो आप देखेंगे मोटा मोटा आपके पास यूजुअली आप कितना टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, 5 hours to 6 hours in a school. Now let's see what happens in the college. So you all are in college. Now in college, the time span will increase because आपके टास्क बढ़ जाएंगे, right? Now जब आपके टास्क बढ़ेंगे तो अब आपके टाइमिंग्स क्या हो जाते हैं? Now timings will be, so your morning, you will see some colleges start in the morning at 8 o'clock, whereas some colleges, usually I have seen the college starts at 9 o'clock. So 9 to 3, you will see the college. But you will see some other colleges where the timings will be somewhere from 9 to 5. So आपकी 8 hours शुरू हो जाता है. But the college will tell you to work extra because there is a task, there is an assignment, there is homework, right? So you will go. So the time difference changes. Now what happens in corporate? No time difference, 24/7. We all are working 24/7, right? So there is an 8-hour shift that you will have. But then, the globalization just ढंग से हो रही है. And the way we are connected with each other in this world, you will see that time we all have to be very prompt, and we all have to be very, very, giving our the best. So you will see there is a school difference to a corporate difference timing, but then your life changes. So one is become, important, understand importance of time and start giving to it. Okay. Then we talk about task. Now, when we talk about task in school, we used to get homework. In college, you will get assignments, right? You will get projects. And in school, you do task individually. आप homework individual level पे करते हो. But college में आप individual task भी करोगे, आप group task भी करोगे. Now, what happens in corporate? Corporate, there is a job, which you will be performing at an individual level, no doubt about it. But there is a process. So input of one process becomes output, and then that output will become input of another process. ये लाइफ पैटर्न चलता जाएगा. अब जब ये लाइफ पैटर्न चलेगा तो मतलब मैं आप पे डिपेंडेंट हूँ, आप मेरे पे डिपेंडेंट हो, और इसलिए टीम वर्क साथ की साथ चलती रहती है. And you will find the task is a very different element at a corporate life. So here your importance of knowing others, understanding others becomes very important. So आपको एक दूसरों की जरूरतों को जानना जरूरी होता है. तो इसीलिए आप देखेंगे कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में टास्क वेरी कर जाता है. अब आता है फीडबैक. अब फीडबैक बहुत बड़ा वर्ड है. तो स्कूल में हम फीडबैक देते हैं थ्रू मार्क्स. हम सबको एंड ऑफ द ईयर में एक मार्कशीट मिल जाती थी, और उसमें लिखा होता था आउट ऑफ 100 यू हैव स्कोर्ड दिस मच, एंड देन सो ऑन, isn't it? And we used to get percentage. In college, you will have assessment. Although there would be a marks, there would be a grading, but there is a form of assessment because you all are evaluated at a regular interval. आपके professors आपको monitor करेंगे, आपको projects को देखेंगे, and then they will tell you what is good, what can be better, how you need to do a research, and they will make you a very strong professional. And the way Satyug Institute is going to give you a importance, you will find that yes, ये एक आपको डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन और एक डिफरेंट इंट्रोस्पेक्शन की तरफ लेके जा रहा है। अब आ जाते हैं कॉर्पोरेट्स के बारे में। कॉर्पोरेट में आपकी रेटिंग होती है, तो आप ये मत सोचिएगा कि मार्क्स आपको सिर्फ स्कूल में मिलते थे। यू विल हैव मार्क्स in corporate also. So there we call it as a rating. So here the rating means you will get the 5, rating of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So kuch corporates may 1 being the best performer and 5 being the lowest performer. Whereas in some corporates, 5 being the highest performer, 1 being the lowest performer. So whichever company you join, you have to understand that. So end of the day, you have to be the best performer, right? Now the beautiful thing is, ऐसा नहीं है जो जिनकी rating 2 आती है, they are not good performers. They are also good performers. But when I'm going to talk about the fourth component today, जो आज हम values की बात करेंगे, you will see how when any leader rates you, they give you and understand you as a whole. They will see you as an individual. So it is not only the task that you do, but it is the people that the way you manage. आपको दोनों को साथ मैनेज करके चलना होता है। तो आपको टास्क भी देखना है, जो आपको जॉब मिला है, प्लस आपको अपने लोगों को भी मैनेज करना है। So they both go in hand together, right? So this is what happens in your corporate expectation. अब आते हैं, समझते हैं हम another aspect which is called intrapersonal. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले जब हम बात करते हैं, हमें अपने आप को जानना बहुत जरूरी होता है, राइट? सो नाउ आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू यूज अ चैट बॉक्स। ठीक है, आप प्लीज अपना चैट बॉक्स यूज करिएगा और उसमें लिख के बताइए कि आपके बारे में 1 वर्ड जो ये बताता है कि यू आर दिस। तो फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, अगर मुझसे कोई पूछता है कि अनुभा आप अपने बारे में 1 वर्ड बताइए, तो आई विल से एनर्जेटिक अनुभा, राइट? So that's 1 word for me is energetic. So अगर मुझे आपसे पूछना है कि आप अपने बारे में कितना जानते हो, can you just write down on the chat box please? Just use the chat box quickly. Let's see how many of you know each other. Okay, so I see, very nice, people have started writing. So Purnima says hardworking, Gaurav says motivated, Gaurav, thank you. Hemant says helpful, Khushi says multitasker, Sneha say extrovert, patient Ravinder, helpful Kritika, lazy Mohit. Mohit, become energetic Mohit. I don't want to see lazy Mohit. Kind Sneha, practicing Aditya, very good. Self-confident Gugan, blessed Rajneesh, beautiful. Extrovert Arpita, helpful Radhika, helpful Mayank, positive thinker Pavan, hardworking Anupam, dedicated Shubham, humble Pratik, extrovert Muskan, passionate Lakshmi, self-confident Karishma, omnivert Anjali, trustworthy Smriti, self-disciplined Ashok, loyal Khushbu, self-confident Komal, positive Sanjana, extravagant Dhruv, overthinker Aarti, amazing. So people are like helpful, kind person. Himan, okay, great relationship maker Ravinder, superb. Okay, naughty Nisha. Okay, so I love to see this. Very nice. Okay, helpful Gautam, kind-hearted Khushbu, confident Dipali, helpful Preeti, extrovert Priyal, extrovert Deepak also, self-confident Rohit. Now, the beautiful thing. See, Acha, Renu is also self-confident and a great relationship-oriented. Ravi is hard worker, including Anuj also hard worker, and Sushmita is again helpful, and Deepika is sweet. Oh, I see a lot of people now have started writing. Okay, I like Gogan Rohit is coping me. Okay, all right. So nice to know. I know 100 of you are here. So knowing all of you would be a tough time. But at least thanks to the chat box that I at least know so many of you, And Dhruv says he's a food lover. Very good. So I'm also a food lover, Dhruv, okay? But the important is, doesn't mean that we start hogging, okay? We have to take care of ourselves, Okay. So now let's try and understand here. It's so very nice to know about yourself. Why? Because they say that, knowing self is one of the difficult and a great thing. And what people say is that the first thing in the life is the three things which is extremely hard for people to know. One is steel, one is diamond, and one is knowing about self. So these are the three hardest thing in life, which has been said by Benjamin Franklin, and it is so very true. And the second element, which has been said by the Thomas says, and he has said, the self is not something that one finds; it is something that one create. So let me tell you, the way you all are so talented, the way you all are so perfect about yourself, if you use your own interpersonal skills, trust me, you can achieve a great height and great success. And if you will see the great example in our world, in this, you will find the best of the people. I mean, you name it from Bolt, he became the fastest, sprinter. Or you talk about the person who has been, a great athlete. Or let's say the person who has been a great gymnastic, or one of the person who is the finest business person. In your own field and domain, you can become perfect. You can actually create it by your own intrapersonal approach. So keep working on it, keep highlighting, and keep getting a success. Now, the interesting element again, one more, is we know our strength. We should also know our weakness. You know why? Because weakness needs to be converted into our strength. For an example, one of my weaknesses is overtime management. When I say overtime management, that means I ensure that all my tasks need to complete on time and it needs to start on time. Now, ये मेरी weakness है. बट कई बार यही वीकनेस मेरे लिए प्रॉब्लम भी बन जाती है. कैसे? अब मैं टाइम ओरिएंटेड हूँ. अब सोचिए हम लोग आज ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू सेशन कर रहे हैं, करेक्ट? अब कुछ लोगों का नेटवर्क इशू आ रहा है एंड वो लोग मेरे सेशन में नहीं आ पाते हैं, और मुझे लगता है कि मुझे जितने भी ये लोग 100+ लोग हैं, सबको मेरे बारे में नॉलेज मिल जाए, सबको पता चल जाए कि अनुभा आज क्या बता रही है और मुझे क्या सिखा रही है, और मैं चाहती हूँ कि सब लोग वो सीख जाए. और उसमें मैं देखती हूँ 5 लोग, वो लोग नहीं प्रॉपरली कर पाते हैं, कभी एग्जिट हो रहे, कभी नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, और कई बार नेटवर्क उन्हें किक आउट कर देता है. तब आप क्या करोगे? क्या मैं उन्हें डांटने लग जाऊंगी? नहीं. बट देन if you use your weakness in a negative manner, it can create a problem for you. So what will happen? Your interpersonal skills will also go haywire. If you say energy, I am energetic, but if you are time oriented and if you show your energy in a wrong way, then what will happen is your interpersonal skills will have a problem. So you really need to know how you can convert your weakness into your strength. So that's really important. So give them the leeway, give them that benefit, right? So you should know what are your weakness. Now, if I have to ask you, what are your weakness? Can you please use your chat box and pen down what are your weakness? अपनी अपनी प्लीज कमजोरियां बताएंगे. अगर इसमें आपको खाने का भी बहुत शौक है, आप वो भी लिख सकते हो, right? Yes, please use your chat box. Short-tempered, overthinking, lazy, trust on everyone. Okay, talk, taking too many risks. All right, short temper, speak in rush places, stubborn, overthinker. Okay, depend on others, overthinking, sensitive. All right, again overthinking. Lot of people are writing overthinking. क्यों सोचते हो इतना? लाइफ में इतना नहीं सोचना चाहिए. Okay, sleeping, lazy, shy. Again overthinking, nervous, perplexed, sensitive, shy, self-control, sleeping. संध्या, indeed I can understand. कोविड के टाइम पे लोगों की बहुत आदतें अच्छी भी हुई है, बुरी भी हुई है. Okay, I see short-tempered, aggression, not motivated. Radhika, don't worry, you are an extremely motivated person. I am telling you. आज आप ये लिख रहे हो, that means you are a great motivated person and you will transform. Okay, never think while speaking. Yes, Arpita, a lot of people that do it, but don't worry. The institute is really going to help you out. Procrastination. Yes, Himanshu, this is one challenge a lot of people face. दीपक कुमार लेजी, ओहो कोई बात नहीं. Ravi Thakur, anger, all right. Okay, so shy, Nikhil, good. So see, it's so lovely that thank you, Karishma. Yes, being too honest, but see, this is a platform. We all need to make each other learn, right? We all have to understand. So I again, Akhil says you get demotivated easily. कोई बात नहीं. That is also very important. Once you are demoted, you can go to motivation. टक करके ऊपर जाना चाहिए. You will go up. Don't worry. Aggression, very nice, Sandeep. But trust me. See, you all have written overconfidence, aggression, anger, and all those things. It's absolutely okay. These are not your weakness. Trust me. These are, again, you have to convert it to your strength. आपको क्या कन्वर्ट करना है? अपने वीकनेस को ही अपने स्मार्टली यूज करना है. अब जैसे कैसे मैं बताती हूँ. अब रविंदर जी लिखते हैं that I am a manipulator. Now, Ravinder, I would say start, instead of saying that you are a manipulator, say I am an articulator. Articulator is a positive word. Manipulation is a negative word, right? So important here is please use right word at the right time. The first thing. So Ravinder, if manipulation is your trick, then trust me, you can be a very good person who can work into the compliance aspect. So compliance, which means अगर आपको ये पता चल रहा है आपने कोई कंपनी में ज्वाइन किया है और आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है, ठीक है, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, स्मार्टली मैनिपुलेट करके चीजें निकलवा सकते हो. इट्स अ वेरी पॉजिटिव साइन. So you should know which profession to join. Aggression by Sundeep. Now, Sundeep, if you show your aggression in sales, you will be a showstopper. मतलब लोग आपको सलाम करेंगे, right? Now, when we say, people are writing somewhere around overconfidence, no problem. Even if you're overconfident, at least what will happen is you might do some mistake, no problem. So learn from your mistake and go ahead. Nikhil say you are shy. कोई बात नहीं, shy. If you are shy, sometimes if you are into a customer service, your shy approach is really important in life. See, what I'm doing is आप ही के मैं सबको जो आपकी weakness है मैं उसको कैसे convert कर रही हूँ in your strength. So keep doing it, right? Now let's try and understand. So we have understood what corporate expect out of you. We have understood your intrapersonal, that is your strength, and how you can convert your weakness to strength, right? Let's move to the third aspect, which is ABC. So ABC of life is, let's try and understand. Can you tell me what could be the full form of ABC? What do the corporate or what do we expect out of students? So क्या हो सकता है ABC से? Again, you can use the chat box. So, okay. Anjali, I will talk about your weakness of short-tempered needs to be converted into the strength. Yes, you can be ambitious, your goal orientation, right? Okay, so let's come to this ABC. So A say aspect, anybody can maybe. Wow, Rajneesh, you made a very good acronym for me. Okay, Muskan says, so no, E is enthusiasm. I'm just looking for A, B, and C. Needs to give the word from these. Okay, anybody can. Very nice. Thank you, Tushar. Same Sandhya says, wow, ambitious behavior, confidence. Okay, so I will give a clap for Ishika because she gave the right word for B, which is behavior. Okay, all right. Nisha also says anybody can. Okay, anyone else who'd like to share what can be from A expected out of you and C? Always be closing. Okay, nice one. You all are great abbreviators creator. Huh? Okay, and someone more from A and C. B is behavior, definitely. A and C. So Shuksham says alertness, behavior, and cooperative. Okay, someone more, always knowing. Okay, Aarti says accept and confidence. Okay, that's also very nice. Something more. Atmanirbhar Bharat. Oh, lovely. Okay. A is attention by Karishma. Okay. Something more. And still want to understand. Please, आप ये सोचिए corporate expectation from students or from the corporate professionals. Okay, calm, attractive. I like that, Vanshika, you gave the word attractive. So just give me the synonyms for attractive. A is articulate, accept, confidence, courage. Okay. Attitude. So attitude and behavior go hand in hand together. Okay. Sandeep says consciousness, coordinative. Um, can you use a very simple words, please? I mean, थोड़ा सा और करते हैं. You know, back to basics. बिल्कुल basics वाले words लेकर आइए. बिल्कुल basics वाले words. Attraction. Okay, another word for attraction. Okay, lovely. Kritika के लिए another clap. Communication. So C, communication. Very nice. Thank you so much. So I have got B, behavior. C is communication. A say. I'm just looking for A. Active. Okay, Arpita is written active. Attention. Okay, something. I'm still looking for that word. So किसी ने attractive एक word बोला था. So आप attract कैसे कैसे दिख सकते हो? How can you look attractive? Okay, ambition, action, agree, through our conversation. So that's your communication, my dear. Attitude will come in your behavior, okay? Your aim. But aim तो हम जब बात करते किसी से तभी पता चल सकता है, right? हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस बिहेवियर से पता. पर्सनालिटी, वेरी गुड. समवन इज कमिंग अप विद पर्सनालिटी, वेरी गुड. पर्सनालिटी कहाँ से नजर आती है मुझे? ओके, कैरेक्टर. ड्रेसिंग सेंस का, वेरी गुड. सो अमित, ड्रेसिंग सेंस का है अपीयरेंस. I will give this one to Amit. Very nice. Thank you. All right. Body posture is good. Good. So thank you so much, everyone. Beautiful. So the three things are appearance, behavior, and communication. Okay. Now, task for all of you. Please take out your mobile and open your Instagram right away. I know all of you are on Instagram. Okay. Go to Anubha_Walia and go to her story. In the story, you will find this exercise. What is important for you? Please tick that. Please go to Anubha Walia in Instagram and go to her story. So in the story, you can see this is visible. Okay. Please take this test. Okay, so I see a lot of people have started giving an answer. I have got 36 response as of now, and where all of the above, I've got the maximum answer. 6 people are saying behavior is important for them. 1 person says appearance and 1 person communication. Okay. Someone else furthermore? Okay. I see Gautam has responded, Rajput, Pratik, Preeti, Smriti, a lot of people. Okay, it's still going on. Oh, wow. So now I see. Okay, so the score is gone from 36 to 48. Please take your time, no problem. My Insta is getting updated. I can see the graph is moving up. Okay, yes. Okay, the graph going again up. Wow. So I see 59 people have done it. It is touching 62 now. Very good. Superb. Okay, so thank you so very much. I see a lot of people responded. So the beautiful thing is I have got the maximum response on all the above. Indeed, all the three is key to success. So let's try and understand how. Appearance. You know, the appearance is the first thing which people observe in 30 seconds. So they see your hair, your, if you are female, then your makeup, if you are applied the makeup, if you have not applied the makeup, then whether you have well groomed yourself or not. Well groomed is also for the males, that you have shaved or not shaved well. If you have mustache for the males, then whether it is trimmed well, that or not. If you are wearing a shirt, whether it is not, I hope it's not crinkled, right? I have seen, so what people observe, if you're wearing a shirt, it should not be folded. If you are wearing a belt, then the color of the belt and the color of the shoe should be same. Your belt should be up till, it should be not hanging out. So कई बार हम लोग बेल्ट जब लगाते हैं तो उसका जो स्ट्रैप होता है वो नीचे हैंग कर रहा होता है. Yes, someone was saying something. Oh, Gauri says you didn't say. Oh, no problem.
Yes, ma'am, you can continue. I think by
Okay.
mistake someone is
Okay, no
unmuted.
problem.
Yes.
अच्छा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Thank you. Okay, so then as I mentioned about the first is your hair, the way you keep it up. I talked about your attire, it should be well ironed. I talked about the color of the shoes and the color of your belt should be same. और मैंने फिर आपको बता रही थी आपकी बेल्ट का जो स्ट्रैंड होता है वो नीचे से लूप से बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए. इट शुड बी 1 इंचेस अहेड. दैट्स अबाउट इट. अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट, अगर आप किसी से फेस टू फेस मीटिंग कर रहे हैं और आपने सॉक्स पहनी हुई है, सो यू नीड टू इंश्योर द कलर ऑफ द सॉक्स एंड द कलर ऑफ द ट्राउजर शुड बी सेम. अब ये जो प्रोटोकॉल है आपके अपीयरेंस में बहुत मैटर करता है और उसको हम फर्दर डीप डाइव भी कर सकते हैं. बट आज मैं आपको सिर्फ वो इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें बता रही हूँ जो सबसे पहले लोग इमीडिएटली देखते हैं. जब मैं ऑनलाइन की बात करती हूँ, ऑनलाइन में प्लीज इंश्योर आपके नेल्स ट्रिम प्रॉपर होने चाहिए. ठीक है, आपकी ज्वेलरी अगर आपने कोई पहनी हुई है सटल होनी चाहिए और आपका पूरा एटलीस्ट जो ऑरा है बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल होना चाहिए. आपका बैकड्रॉप जो है ब्राइट नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो ये सब चीजें अपीयरेंस में बहुत मैटर करती हैं आपकी लाइफ में. अब आ जाइए बिहेवियर. बिहेवियर एक ऐसी चीज है जो कि आपको एक्सपीरियंस के साथ आता जाता है. ठीक है, अब क्या होता है, बिहेवियर होता क्या है? बिहेवियर होता है आप किस ढंग से किसी चीज पे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हो. मैंने रिएक्शन नहीं शो किया, मैंने रिस्पॉन्स बोला, राइट? सो पीपल सी and observe your thought, your action, your mannerism in any kind of situation. And then we say, okay, this is what the person is all about. So aapka, it's a very simple example. मैं अगर मैं बोला जाए, it is a function of a person with the situation. All right. Now for an example, अभी मैं देख रही हूँ अनुपम चौहान है मेरे सामने. ठीक है, अब अनुपम को लेट्स से मैंने एक एक जैसे कहते हैं ना, लेट्स से मेरे हाथ में कुछ आया, मुझे अनुपम पे गुस्सा आया और मैंने उसको फेंक दिया गुस्से में. तो अनुपम क्या क्या कर सकता है? अनुपम पहली चीज है इग्नोर कर सकता है. ठीक है, दूसरा अनुपम क्या कर सकता है? वापस वो चीज मुझे फेंक सकता है. हो सकता है ना? तीसरा क्या कर सकता है अनुपम? अनुपम कहेगा सब ठीक है, क्या हो गया आपको, है ना? ये भी तो हो सकता है. और चौथा, वो मुझे जादू की झप्पी भी दे सकता है. हो सकता है, करेक्ट? अब इससे क्या होगा? आई विल गेट टू नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन अनुपम इज. तो अगर मेरे को so these are all your reactions and response. So the way he will respond will talk about your behavior. So I will get to know वो कैसे हैं. Are we good? And then the next element is communication. Communication is key to success. Okay, communication में आपका वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन आता है, आपका नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन आता है और आपका पैरा वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन आता है. वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन कौन से होते हैं? जो मैं वर्ड्स बोल रही हूँ. ठीक है, so the words that I speak is called verbal communication. नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन कौन से होते हैं? जिसमें आप मुझे सिर्फ देखते हो. तो अगर मैं ऐसे बैठ जाऊं और मैं आपको बोलूं आज हम लोग कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में बात करेंगे, लेकिन मेरा हाथ ऐसे है और फिर मैं थोड़ी देर चुप होके बैठ जाऊं, क्या मैं फिर भी कुछ कम्युनिकेट कर रही हूँ? कर रही हूँ ना? तो इसका मतलब हुआ नो कम्युनिकेशन इज ऑल्सो कम्युनिकेशन. अगर आप वर्ड नहीं भी बोल रहे हो तो भी उसमें कुछ ना कुछ आप अपने आप का इजहार कर रहे हो. ठीक है, सो नो कम्युनिकेशन इज ऑल्सो अ कम्युनिकेशन. ये दोनों चीजें क्लियर हो गई, वर्बल एंड नॉन वर्बल. अब आ जाइए थर्ड, पैरावर्बल. पैरावर्बल जब मैं अपना थ्रोट का एलिमेंट यूज करती हूँ, व्हेन आई से आहा, अच्छा, so those are things, these are all your paraverbal. So in this I use pitch, pause, pace and power. Pitch is when I go slow, नीची आवाज में. हाँ, हम लोग इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. मेरी पिच कम हो गई. पिच जब ज्यादा, when I speak on a increases element. Pace. Today I'll be talking about the communication. It is nothing but an act of conveying the meaning in the one entity of the group, and it's so very easy to understand the semantic. अभी क्या हो गया? Very fast pace. आपको समझ में ही नहीं आएगा. So you have to go slowly so that people understand. Third is your pause. हर वर्ड पे किस वर्ड पे आपको emphasis करना है is what is your pause. So when I'm speaking, so what I did, I said when I'm speaking, मैंने speaking पे force लगाया. So that is the emphasis on that particular word. And the fourth is power. Power आपके पास कभी आएगी जब आपके पास सब्जेक्ट अच्छा होगा. अगर आपको आपकी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में पता होगा, आप अपने आप ही उसके बारे में बोलना शुरू कर दोगे. तो पैरावर्बल फोकस करता है 4P पे. क्या क्या है? पिच, पावर, पेस एंड पॉज. वी डन? सो कम्युनिकेशन का ऑल द 3, वर्बल, नॉन वर्बल एंड वोकल, जिसे हम कहते हैं, वोकल को हम पैरावर्बल भी कहते हैं. आर वी गुड? सुपर. ओके, let me just check in the chat box. Anything? Nothing. Okay, no query, no question. Let's move to the next element, please. Okay, so we have already talked about, yes, the importance of our life in the corporate world or in our day-to-day life. Your appearance makes lot of difference, and ये पूरे world में common है. पूरे वर्ल्ड में आप कहीं पे भी जाएंगे, अपीयरेंस सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर करता है. हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि आपको ब्रांडेड कपड़े पहनने, बट आपको अच्छे से वेल ग्रूम कपड़े पहनने. सेकेंड इज योर बिहेवियर. आपका बिहेवियर अगर मोटिवेटेड है, तो जो आपने जो स्ट्रेंथ में अपने लिखे थे वो आपके बिहेवियर में दर्शाता है. ठीक है, एंड देन जो थर्ड चीज थी आपका कम्युनिकेशन. आपका कम्युनिकेशन अगर जितना फ्लॉलेस और जितना अच्छा होगा, लोग आपसे उतना ही कनेक्टेड हो जाते हैं. करेक्ट? ऑलराइट, नाउ एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल और आपको एक बहुत अच्छा कम्युनिकेशन गूफ अप दिखाने वाली हूँ. ओके, एक ये एग्जांपल है जो कि एक लाइफ में हुआ था और इसको हमने थोड़ा सा ट्विक कर दिया है. ठीक है, ओके, तो ये कम्युनिकेशन मैं बता रही हूँ ऊपर से नीचे. व्हेन आई से ऊपर से नीचे मतलब फ्रॉम सीनियर टू जूनियर कैसे फ्लो करता है. और आप देखिएगा हम लोग क्यों रिटन कम्युनिकेशन को फोकस करते हैं और वोकल, जब हम पैरावर्बल और जब हम वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन यूज करते हैं उसमें लोग कितना तोड़मोड़ कर देते हैं. ठीक है, ओके, तो ये एमडी से वाइस प्रेसिडेंट की तरफ से आ रहा है. एमडी कहते हैं वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को, tomorrow morning there will be a total eclipse of the sun at 9 o'clock. This is something which we cannot see every day. So let all employees line up outside in their best clothes to watch it. To mark the occasion of this rare occurrence, I will personally explain the phenomena to them. If it is raining, we will not be able to see it very well, and in that case, the employees should assemble in the canteen. Simple. मतलब जो आपके एमडी है वो बात कर रहे हैं कि कल सोलर एक्लिप्स है 9 बजे और मैं चाहता हूं कि लोग अपने बेस्ट ऑफ द क्लोथ्स में लाइन अप होके बाहर आ जाएं और हम इस ओकेजन को, जो कि बहुत रेयर है, सब एक साथ देखेंगे. बाय एनी चांस अगर बारिश हो जाती है तो हम सब एक साथ कैंटीन में इकट्ठे हो जाएंगे. करेक्ट? अब यही कम्युनिकेशन वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ने जनरल मैनेजर को पास ऑन करी. By order of MD, there will be a total eclipse of the sun at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. If it is raining, we will not be able to see it in our best clothes on the site. In this case, disappearance of the sun will be followed through canteen. This is something we cannot see happening every day. ट्वीक हो गया है, ठीक है. अब जनरल मैनेजर से इंडस्ट्री मैनेजर, by order of MD we shall follow the disappearance of the sun in our best clothes in the canteen at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. The MD will tell us whether it is going to rain or not. This is something which we cannot see happen every day. Now from industry manager to a location head, if it is raining in canteen tomorrow morning, which is something we cannot see happen every day, MD in his best clothes will disappear at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. पूरी कम्युनिकेशन हिल गई. अब लास्ट में देखिए क्या हुआ. लोकेशन हेड टू मार्केटिंग एग्जीक्यूटिव, टुमारो मॉर्निंग एट 9 o'clock MD will disappear. It is pity we cannot see happen every day. डिसअपियर किसको होना था? उन्होंने बोला था कि एक्लिप्स शायद हट जाए, बट उन्होंने किसको हटा दिया? MD को ही डिसअपियर कर दिया. आप ये सोचिए कि कितने चेंजेस हो जाते हैं वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन में. तो आपका कम्युनिकेशन बहुत मैटर करता है, राइट? Now, some important facts. We have 630 muscles in our body. 630 muscles. और सबसे strongest muscle कौन सा होता है? Your tongue. So please use it effectively. If you will not be effective, you will be in a problem. Smile. जब आप smile करते हो, it takes 17 muscles to smile. So all of you please smile right now. I can see. Yes, Meenu? Yeah, smiling. I see Sangeeta smiling. I see Anupam smiling. Good. Mohit smiling. Very nice. So smile, guys. सिर्फ कितने muscles use हो रहे हैं? 17. Frown. Frown is when you see in खुंदक. ठीक है? There you use 47 muscles. And you will be surprised. We blink. Eyes is the busiest muscle and it blinks 1 lakh times a day. And when we produce a human speech, जब हम बोलते हैं, we use 72 different muscles. So please work very effectively. We good? Okay. So now values. Values are the most important thing in your life, everybody. So what are values? These are your beliefs. These are your principles, which have been given by your parents. The same very way, every company you join, you will find the values of that company. These are unspoken rules and you have to demonstrate. आपको ये सब अपने आप में दर्शाना होता है सबके सामने कि आप क्या चीज बिलीव करते हो, क्या नहीं करते हो. तो कुछ कंपनीज के वैल्यूज मैंने यहाँ स्क्रीन पे लिखे हैं. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, अकाउंटेबिलिटी, इंटीग्रिटी, कोलैबोरेशन, सेफ्टी, रिस्पेक्ट, कस्टमर फोकस, एथिक्स, कंपैशन. ये सारे वैल्यूज हैं जो आपको कंपनीज में दिखेंगे. कुछ कंपनीज में 3 से 4 वैल्यूज होती हैं जो बहुत प्रोमिनेंट होती हैं. कुछ कंपनीज में 5 से 6 होती हैं. बट इम्पॉर्टेंट है, हर वैल्यू इम्पॉर्टेंट होती है, हर वैल्यू, राइट? बस उस वैल्यूज को आपने पूरे अपने फैमिली कल्चर को डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना है, रिफ्लेक्ट करना है और सबको बताना है. सो दैट इज व्हाई यू विल फाइंड वैल्यूज बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ. इन सतयुग दर्शन इंस्टीट्यूट आपका विजन और मिशन इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हमें हर कंपनी का विजन और मिशन जानना भी जरूरी होता है. जैसे आपको अपने बारे में पता होगा कि मैं अपने आप को कहाँ देखता हूँ, दैट इज योर विजन. और उसको अचीव करने के लिए आपके छोटे छोटे माइलस्टोन होते हैं, दीज आर योर मिशन. तो सतयुग का विजन है टू बी एन इंस्टीट्यूट दैट डेवलप्स कॉम्पिटेंट प्रोफेशनल. मतलब वो चाहते हैं कि आप जैसे स्टूडेंट्स को एक वो प्रोफेशनल्स बनाते हैं विथ हाई एथिक्स एंड मॉरल वैल्यूज. तो मतलब आप खुद देखिएगा जो 2 वर्ड बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग निकल कर आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे, एथिक्स एंड वैल्यूज, मॉरल वैल्यूज, ये इस इंस्टीट्यूट के वैल्यूज हैं. सेम वेरी वे कंपनी का विजन मिशन जो है to produce technically brilliant industry professionals matching the global standards and creating a budding leaders, which means the another aspect of the values of your institute is budding leaders. मतलब leaders बनाना, उनको professionalism सिखाना और उनको entrepreneurial skills की adapt कराना. Please understand these are very extraordinary things the institute is providing. Keep working for it. आपका knowledge, आपका behavior and आपका attitude, trust me, इतना आगे आपको लेकर जाएगा with the set of your thoughts. So with this thing, our learning which we understood from my company Prism and from Anubha today is manage expectations from the corporate. आपके पास टाइम होगा, टास्क होगा, आपका फीडबैक मिलेगा, ठीक है, और आपको तीनों मीट करने हैं. नो योर सेल्फ, आपको अपने बारे में जानना बहुत जरूरी है. अपने स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस दोनों को ही स्ट्रेंथ बनाइए और आगे बढ़िए. Enhance your ABC, which is your appearance, behavior, and communication, and value your own values. That is the key to success. With this note, that's me. You can reach out to me anytime. Floor is open for query and a question now. So you can ask any query, any question now to me. Anyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Dear
Yes.
students, if you want to ask any question, you can raise your hand. I will unmute you, or you can ask from the chat box. You can raise your hand. आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. If you have any question, you can ask from the chat box also. कोई क्यूरी नहीं है.
Okay, I can see one message. How to overcome procrastination? Okay, Himanshu. अच्छा, तो सबसे पहली इम्पोर्टेंट चीज ये होती है टाइम मैनेजमेंट के बारे में. बस मैं आपको ये आप ये एनालाइज करना, पूरा दिन का अपना दिनचर्या लिखना. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज जस्ट राइट डाउन how much time do you spend on a particular task, right? So how much time you're spending on your mobile, how much time you're spending on your social media, how much time you're spending on your task assignment, how much time you're spending on phone, how much time you're spending on cooking, how much time you're spending on reading, how much time you're spending on exercising, how much time you're spending on, any task that you're doing. ठीक है, जब आपको ये पता चल जाएगा, आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा कि कौन सा टाइम आप सबसे ज्यादा स्पेंड कर रहे हो किस चीज में. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, लेट्स से सोशल मीडिया में आपके 2 घंटे जा रहे हैं. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन. नाउ इंश्योर दैट यू गिव एंड रिस्ट्रिक्ट योर टाइम. ठीक है, तो आप देखेंगे जो 2 घंटे के टाइम को पहले आप 1.5 घंटा कर दीजिए. जैसे आप उसे 1.5 घंटा कर दोगे, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ माय डियर, समवन इज ऑन अनम्यूटेड मोड. या द मोमेंट आप उसको 2 घंटे को
सॉरी मैडम. ध्रुव प्लीज अनम्यूट म्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को. मैंने आपको अनम्यूट किया था, आपने हैंड रेज किया था. अभी मैडम अपनी बात पूरी कर रही हैं, तो ध्रुव एक बार अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए.
या ध्रुव, आई एम गोइंग टू कम बैक टू यू, राइट? ओके, थैंक यू. सो जैसे आपको पता चलेगा कि आपका टाइम किसमें ज्यादा जा रहा है, उसको थोड़ा आप कम करेंगे. जब आप कम करेंगे और फिर जिसमें एक चीज को आप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रहे हो, आप उस पर जब आप अपना टाइम लगाएंगे, आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा. इट टेक्स टाइम बट इट वर्क्स. ठीक है, ओके. प्रियल सेज हाउ कैन वी कम्युनिकेट इन अ नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. सो प्रियल, 2 चीजें बता देती हूँ मैं आपको, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इनसाइट. सारी चीजें नहीं बता सकती मैं भी, बट नॉन वर्बल में पहली चीज, कभी भी फिंगर पॉइंट करके कम्युनिकेट मत करना. ठीक है, तो आपको कैसे कम्युनिकेट करना है? सो इफ आई हैव टू कॉल आउट फॉर प्रियल, आई विल यूज ऑल माय हैंड, आई विल से लाइक दिस विथ माय ओपन palm. Okay, Priyal, tell me something about yourself. I will do like this, not like Priyal, what is it about yourself? No, so no finger pointing. That's the first one. Second one, don't sit like this or stand like this. ये मेरा को आप सबके लिए important gesture है, ये नहीं करिएगा. So the important gesture is hand should be like this, right? So that's the right posture. और आप अपने दोनों हाथ को slowly use करिए. Hemant says how to communicate very frequently. Please use for this. आप सब इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहते हैं या हिंदी में बोलना चाहते हैं, use Netflix and Amazon. और आप क्या करिए, कोई भी मूवी में सबटाइटल लगाइए. In that subtitle, start reading it. So let's say the movie is playing and it says, so today we are going to have a great time. So वो subtitle जैसी आया, you read that subtitle with the actor or actresses, right? And you will see your frequency will improve. That's the simple exercise you can do. Okay. Yes, someone has raised a hand. Please ask your question. Unmute yourself, my dear.
Who, ma'am? Pawan?
Yeah, someone had raised. I don't know. जिन्होंने unmute किया.
Dhruv.
Dhruv.
He was Dhruv.
Yeah, Dhruv. You can
Let
ask me, Dhruv.
1 minute. I will unmute him. Dhruv, now you can ask question. I have unmuted you. Dhruv.
Sir, I do not want to ask any question.
Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Thank
Sorry,
you.
sir. Sorry for interruption.
Okay.
Okay, dear. No issues.
Right. Okay, so there's a low bandwidth, Mohit, no problem. Vishal says a bad network. Any query if you have, you can put it on the chat box. I can answer before we close it down. No problem. All right, so I see no more questions. So thank you so very much. Indeed, it
Thank you,
was,
ma'am.
yes. So all to you now to share.
Thank you for such a nice session. And you have told us about the ABC for the students. And nice thing to know about these things. A for appearance and behavior, and then communication. And if we are able to improve upon these three things, I think we can be successful in our life. So also one more thing I like this, that no communication is also a communication.
Yeah.
So it's a good line.
Very nice.
So
Good. So learning is something you can learn on a daily basis, you know. So that's why.
yeah,
Thank you so much for,
definitely.
taking and grabbing
So
it. Yes.
now I will request Dean Madam to conclude the
Oh,
session. Dean Ma'am,
Thank you,
over to you.
Dr. Deepak. And
Okay.
Namaskar, Anubhaji. Very good morning to all my dear students. It was again another session, another class for you, and I'm sure you all loved it. We all enjoyed hearing you, Anubha. Your interactive style and your pithy statements, your wisdom. I'm sure students loved it, and I'm sure they'll carry it forward. And also thanks for sharing our vision and mission. And students, let me reiterate and let me assure you that like Anubha has given you so many good suggestions, how you can actually leverage your, not just strengths, but even weaknesses, how you could convert them into your strengths. So like many of you were very, you opened up and you shared your, strengths as well as your apprehensions or weaknesses. I'm glad that you are, communicative, you are interactive, and I assure you that once you are part of the family at SDIIT, and we take full care of your personality development aspect. Throughout the first year, you would be getting, inclusive sessions where we hone your personality. Not just with, sessions like Madam Anubha's today. We'll also, I'm sure, once the college reopens face-to-face, we would have many more, face-to-face interactions, communication classes, personality development sessions, of course, along with all your subject classes. So I again congratulate you, and I would really love to reiterate this line that Madam Anubha said, that this self is something that we create. So this is so empowering statement. We are not saying we are just going to discover self. Self is not something that God has made for us, and we are here. Our role is only to discover it. Of course, we need to know ourselves. Like Swami Vivekananda also said, "Know thyself." Right? That's a very, very profound statement, actually. But when we say self is something that we create, that means the ownership lies with us. We have the onus. We are the architects of our own fate. So if you follow, all the wisdom and all the tips that Anubha has given today, whether it is, developing a very sound value system, whether it is, honing your appearance, your behavior pattern, your communication skills, or whether it is, doing your own SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, knowing yourself, and then understanding the corporate expectations. All these successful professionals, what are the kind of qualities, what are the kind of, mannerisms that successful professionals have? So that was the first topic she dwelt on, paying attention to detail. It is also said that God lies in the detail, right? So observation power, how you can make it more, acute, because observation is the very first step to learning. So I'm sure you have a lot of food for thought, and we had a wonderful session today. Again, thank you very much, Anubha. Thank you, Dr. Deepak.
Thank you, ma'am.
All my colleagues.
Thank you, ma'am.
And also, students, just before we disperse, your next class will be this Friday, which would be day 6. And remember, that would be your activity class. So you have to come with in full force, and you have to log in with your activity code so that we can facilitate you in all your chosen activities. So I'm sure you will be enjoyed because your holistic development is based on these activities. So I'm sure you will take full advantage of all the facilitators who will be facilitating all these activities for you, right? So with that, we come to the closure of today's event. Thank you very much. Anubha,
Thank
do
you
you
so
have any
much,
parting
ma'am.
words?
I think I must compliment all the students here, the way they engaged. So, which is really nice because I know 100 plus students and everybody wanted to share. That was one beautiful thing. Second thing, I would say, I could see a lot of people, with a beautiful smile. So please carry on that smile. And the lovely aspect I could sense and see is the students have a lot of positivity with their strength. Keep working on your strength, guys. That's the only message I have. And I just will share what we always say in Prism: excellence to eminence. Why? What does that mean? Is every individual is excellent. Taking it to the eminence level is in your hand by using your strength. That's the parting words from my side, and would love to say special thank you to the SDIT and Dr. Sagita ma'am plus Deepak sir for helping out. And I would like to quote one more name, Mohit sir. Whether he's there or not, I don't know, but for making this flawless execution of the project. Thank you so much.